Hi, lovely people. Ever wondered why you still feel fatigued, moody, and run down despite eating healthy? There are so many reasons for this. We'll talk about one of them now: how we burn our B vitamins. It's Hala here, founder of Dietapplements. Please check out our pure B vitamin supplement in our website in the description. B vitamins. They play a massive role in how we feel every single day, from our energy and focus to our hair, skin, and nails, to mood and hormone balance. I've just mentioned what everyone struggles with in under 10 seconds. The problem is, B vitamins are bloody sensitive. All B vitamins are water soluble, which means two things. One, we have to consume them every day to get what we need. Your body doesn't store them the way it does with vitamin D or E, for example. Two, they don't do well with heat. If you boil or overcook your food, B vitamins will break down before your body even gets a chance to absorb them. I mean, we talk about eating the good stuff. That's dilemma number one. Then we talk about how our bodies actually absorb the good stuff. That's another challenge. Ideally, you would want to make sure you eat the good stuff intact. Then let absorption sort itself out. The vitamins easily destroyed are vitamin 1, 5, 6, and folate. Folate is vitamin B9. Even B12 loses strength if you reheat your food. But the good news is we only need to make small changes to maximize our B vitamin intake. Change number one: steam your vegetables. That's an easy thing to do. Never boil vegetables. You would lose almost all B vitamins in the water with boiling. Change number two: if you have to put your fishes in a pan with some butter, cook them gently. Unlike meat, you don't have to cook fishes thoroughly. Change number three: if you know you're deficient in B vitamins, eat some vegetables raw if you can. You have peppers, tomatoes, carrots, cauliflower. Cauliflower is so crunchy raw. I'm a big raw eater. I love it. What about lunch at the office? I don't know about you, but I do need a warm meal at midday. The protein would be already cooked in the morning, but I half cook the fishes with some avocado oil in the microwave. I don't need to cook them fully, like 6 or 7 minutes on medium temperature is good enough for me. And if you're wondering where to get B vitamins from food, here is a quick guide. 1. Eggs are a brilliant all-rounder, especially for B2 and B12. To protect your precious B vitamins, I would do a super speedy omelette, the quickest omelette you could ever imagine, less than 45 seconds of stirring, and I pray for the best. 2, we have leafy greens and spinach. They are brilliant for folate. There is no nutrient the spinach doesn't have, love. That's how awesome spinach is. 3, quinoa is packed with B1, B3, and B5. 4, nuts and seeds. Think sunflower seeds, almonds, walnuts. They will give you beautiful B6 and biotin. Biotin is B7. Then we have legumes, lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. All great for B1, B6, and folate. Number 6, fish. Simply fish. Salmon, tuna, sardines are loaded with B12 and niacin. Niacin is B3. Lastly, think liver, one of my favorite foods of all times. It's practically a superfood and one of the most concentrated sources of B vitamins. We usually don't eat liver well done, right? Because it will be super rubbery if we overcook it. So 2 minutes of cooking on one side, then maybe another minute on the other side, and you've just saved your B vitamins. What if you're vegan? Make sure you're getting enough B12 because B12 is mostly found in animal products. Why should you care about B12? B12 is essential for keeping your nerves and brain working as it should. When you have enough B12, you're more focused at work, You think clearly during conversations. What else? You keep your balance when you walk, you react quickly while driving, or simply keep cool on a stressful day. For B12, the only option for vegans is supplements. I once had a date with a vegan doctor who told me that his vegan father, who was also a GP, used to inject them when they were children with B12. Brutal, but practical. Here on this channel, we are a bit softies who only have capsules, like our maca, ginseng, and ginkgo biloba complex. It has B12, B5, and B6 with other botanicals. This maca supplement will give you a huge energy. That's why we recommend taking the complex in the morning. We also have this raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother that includes all B vitamins. It has also superfood and biocultures. If you're constantly losing B vitamins to cooking, here is your little extra boost. To wrap it up, when you're getting enough B vitamins, you think clearly. There is less chance to forget your house keys than pay £200 for the emergency locksmith. I've been there. You will have more energy to get through the day, even with after school activities lasting till 7 p.m. And that's something every busy woman, every overwhelmed parent needs and deserves. Let me know in the comments if you've ever noticed low energy or brain fog, and we will dig into it together. And if you like this video, please press that lovely subscribe button to support us. It will mean a lot to me and my team here at Dietapplements. Speak to you soon. I have a little spark of news to share, please, with you all. We've just launched a brand new podcast. I know. Everyone has one these days, but this one is closest to my heart. It's called The Visionary with Hala. It's a warm, thoughtful space where I host conversations with some truly wonderful doctors and health professionals. Together, we explore everything from nutrition and bones to DNA testing, sexuality, skin health, sports, lifestyle medicine, and so much more. If any of that sounds like your cup of tea, we'd love your support. The link is in the description. Just one little click on that lovely subscribe button, please. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.